Good morning, everybody. Pup here with my morning quick hits. So this morning I'm looking at four charts. First one being NVDA. So you can see from the swing high to the swing low, we're starting to show some neutral reversal candles. You could see when we were a downtrend here, got those reversal candles, sent us higher. And then you could see reversal candle, reversal candle. These are really neutral. I'm looking at them more as reversal candles, and then obviously sent us back down. So I'm keeping a close eye on these candles here. Looking at semiconductors possibly showing a bottom. What's interesting with NVIDIA, we've got a nice gap up here. We've got another gap right here. And we got a nice TTM squeeze setting up. We're over 50 on RSI. Again, I'm always going to be doing these on the 65-minute chart. Just to give you a quick heads up, 60-minute, most people use an hourly chart. You have an unequal amount of candles within a trading day with 60 minutes. With 65 minutes, you have an equal amount of candles. So each candle is equally represented. On a daily chart, or on an hourly chart, you get an unequal representation of candles. So also this white line here, this is going to be my 21 EMA. So it's just something that I watch. You can see how we got rejected off of here, and now we're above it. So looking at NVIDIA showing some strength over the last day or so. Next up is PANW. This is actually a trade alert that I put out to my group. You could see we've got some nice consolidation going here for the last couple of weeks. And we had some squeezes setting up here, here, and here, no fires. So we have another squeeze setting up here. If you go to the daily chart, you have another squeeze setting up there. So I think this is pretty close. The level I'm going to be watching is 634.33 for a trigger, 655, and then 690 to the upside. But you could see anchored from this swing low down here, we've got a beautiful point of control volume shelf that we have. And generally when you see these volume shelves in a bullish setup, like a flag, excuse me, so you generally will get some sort of slingshot push, what we call a volume shelf launch. That's what I'm looking at. Also, sometimes you'll see this purple line on my charts. This is just a year-to-date anchored VWAP. You can see it acts as support, support and resistance here, support and support back here. So just some of the things that I use on my chart. So PANW, Palo Alto Networks, cybersecurity looking pretty good. Next up, PAYX. This also showed up on my scanners this morning, coming up to an RSI breakout, right? So from that high to these highs, now right back at that high. We've got that slingshot squeeze setting up. You can see again the year-to-date anchored VWAP, nice pop over that. Now it looks like we're consolidating in a 65-minute flag. So just keeping a close eye on it. You can see we're back testing this 200% extension from a prior swing high, swing low, and we came close to that 2618 extension here and failed. So I want to see if we can hold this level. You can see right here on this last 65-minute candle, we broke over the 21 EMA, 21 65-minute EMA. So this is setting up very nicely with that squeeze, with the RSI, and with the back test of the 200 Fibonacci extension. So going to keep a close eye on PAYX over the next 2 days. And last but not least is XEL. Again, slingshot squeeze, RSI breakout, volume shelf anchored to the prior low. From this swing high to this swing low, we've got a 1618 extension at 75.37. You can see we came right into that level, and now we're consolidating in a pennant right under that level. So watch 75.37 for a push higher. You can see we came into that level right here and failed. Came fairly close here and fairly close here. No test, but we're consolidating, and this is a nice bullish consolidation. So again, going back to that last comment about the volume shelf, we had a volume shelf down here, and look what happened. You got a pennant breakout, right? Nice move. Well, this looks exactly the same as this, right? That's one, that's two. Looks very, very similar. So watch for the break of the pennant, but more so watch for the break of 1618 at 75.37. That's it for now. I will be back tomorrow with another quick hit, trying to keep these under 5 minutes. Have a great day, everybody.